Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign out of your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. The home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. Click on Binance icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on your profile name. You will end up on your profile section of your Binance account. Now all you need to do is click on Logout option. It will log you out of your Binance account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.